everyone, welcome back to Glastenbury Designs. I'm glad you're able to join us and we're blessed to have you. Today what I'm going to be doing is just a basic update video of where we're at. It's been about 3 weeks or so since the last video, so I feel that it's time to at least give an update. So where we're at right now with the delays in the videos is we've had a bunch of cutting board orders that I just haven't been able to get on top of between the wood shop and lumber cutting and my other job. Received a couple of other specialty orders as well. One is going to be a framed plaque, sort of like a signature book for a guest book at a wedding, except it's just going to be on a plaque that I think people are going to be able to sign their name in like a paint pen, I think is the idea behind it. The other order that I'm working on and I'm in the process of trying to complete will be the, I've taken an order for a wishing well that somebody wants to put around their well that they actually have on their property, and add some sort of ornamental value to their property, which I think is nice. That will be finished up within the next few weeks. Both of those projects that I just mentioned will have a video to go along with them. And I've also been working on, and you'll see the Blue River table that I originally started recording when I started making videos. I've made a little progress on that table. I've made a decision on the direction I want to go in with it. So that table will be finished also shortly with the conclusion video of that build. So what you're looking at here is you're looking at what's going to end up being a live edge business sign. It's going to be a total of about 6 feet long. We're going to straighten up these edges just a little bit. Sand it down just a little without taking out all the saw marks, and go ahead and smooth down the edges. And then this sign is going to say Mount Equinox Country Store. That's a pretty exciting announcement that I have. My wife and I have decided to open up a little store up here in Sunderland, Vermont. It's going to be consignments. It's already a consignment store. It's been being utilized as a consignment store for about the past 2 years, and ultimately what we're looking to do is work down the consignments a little bit without taking them completely out of there, but have the larger majority of the merchandise, the items that are available to people, be a country store type of an atmosphere. So that's pretty exciting news. That opened August 1st. That's another reason for the delays in the videos. So over time, the items that my wife and I are going to be looking to put in the store are going to be based around handmade items that have a country or rustic appeal to them, and also Vermont-made, Vermont memorabilia, since it's a Vermont-based store. One of the things that we've been doing over the past few weeks has been contacting local retailers, or local wholesalers who do Vermont-made stuff, and also local artists who make their own Vermont items. The opportunity for this store presented itself about a month or so before we opened it. We didn't have an awful lot of time. The person was closing and moving on to another business. We're pretty excited, and I think it's going to be something that if we take our time and take the small steps that we need to, that it'll be something that over time works into something really good, and it'll end up being a great opportunity for us and also local people that want to sell their items. So that will pretty much wrap up this update video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love it if you would subscribe. It helps the business. It also helps my family. And if you do subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you get the updates when I load a new video. And if you live local or semi-local, feel free to stop up and see what we're offering. The store is located at 6367 Vermont Route 7A in Sunderland, Vermont. There's a sign out front that says Sunderland Shops, and there'll be a sign shortly that says Mount Equinox Country Store. And until we see each other again, everybody stay blessed.